Ikut dulu.
Focus.
Okay, so. Jom kita baca this one.
Trip to Australia.
Yang depan ni tertinggal ke? Cikgu tak dengar ni. Depan ni.
Uh, Trip
Hmm.
to Australia.
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 Ni a trip to Australia.
Hmm,
Dia pergi melancong ke Australia.
Australia.
Okay.
And here is a photo of Olivia
Mhm.
with her dear friend Lydia.
Yes. Okay, good. Bagus. So we move to bosses. Okay, next one.
Last year,
Mhm.
Nolia went to visit
Mhm.
Lydia.
Lee.
Lydia
Mhm.
in Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Australia. Okay. Good. One and two. Okay. Okay, next one, Lutfi.
Nolia had
Mhm.
too much in
Ini
fun in
so much
fun
fun
in
in
Australia.
good. Okay, bagus. Okay, so next one we go to this one.
Lydia,
Ada S.
Lydia's, Lydia's home, home was
Mhm. Was.
near, it was near a pier.
Yes, was near a pier. Okay, good, Lutfi. This one.
Every morning,
Hmm?
Lydia
Hmm?
loudly,
Okay, ini sebutan dia wood.
loudly,
Wood.
would
Ha. Mhm.
did sit by
Mhm.
the pier.
Pier. Okay, wood. Sebutan dia wood. Okay, bagus. Alright, so last one. Ni. Eh, ha.
Lydia
Mhm.
loved it and
Love.
the
Mhm.
just
Mhm.
answer
Ah,
dinner clear
clear
clear as clear
skies.
skies
Mhm.
of Australia.
Good. Okay. Dia sukalah dengan apa? Apa dia kata? Skies of Australia. Dia suka tengok langit dekat Australia tu. Okay, cerah, cantik je kan? Okay, good.